So I have the compressed air duster from Sandrem. The duster itself is super small, about the size of your hand, which I love. It comes with different attachments, so however you want to blow the air, you can change that up. Get a carrying case, charger, and some brushes to clean it. And how you work is super, super easy. So that's going to be your power button there. Battery is shown clearly on the side. And then on here, you're also going to get a flashlight, and you just got to click the power button twice to get that going. So personally, I'm going to use it to clean out my gutters. That's how you do that. I just put my attachment on there, click the front. This is going to be your different power settings. Blue is the highest, and that's what I use. So I'm going to go out and clean my gutters. So here it is in action. So I find this way easier than trying to lug a leaf blower up here. I just grab it, shoot my leaves out, and I am good to go. It's way simpler and honestly a lot safer when you're up on top of a ladder. So like I said, I like to use it to clean my gutters. I also use it to get leaves that are behind my meter on the side of my house. But you could use this thing for a bunch of different things. Clean your keyboard, maybe you have a fire, you want to get it kind of going, you need some air. I think it'd work great for that. Clean out your car. So I'm a huge fan of this. Whatever you're going to use it for, I think it'll work out great for you. So I give it 2 thumbs up.